Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Yes, the third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. Yes, it's still Tuesday, September the 6th, 2022, and I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Well, it seems that this one is a 1 star. 2 puzzles are left, the tectonic and the binary, but it's binary time. Yes, so let's get started with this binary puzzle, and this one will be number 5133. 5133. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. Yes, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Between 2 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O. Then double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O, double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Then now it will be difficult. Now we need to compare, I think. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we still have 3 1s in a row in the first column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Then 1 2 3. Oh, double O, overlooked. Here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Well, yeah, now it's time for comparing. The question is to compare the columns. This column and that column. 1 1 1 1 oh. Empty box 1 1 oh. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Between 2 O's comes a 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Finish in 3 minutes, told you. It's an easy one, and with only one time comparing, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle of today, a tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.